Once again, the last time we came here, it was the same thing. Ended up missing our flight and gotten put on another flight because it's the same old COVID thing, printouts. It was an authorization form. We had to print out one authorization form per person that's traveling. So everybody here needs that. Just remember that if you're traveling, don't do one authorization form for your family. Do one for each person that's traveling with the family. Say hi, mommy. Say hi, everybody. So me and my daddy leaving. We leaving. Say bye-bye. Now tell them bye-bye. I tried to tell her she's not going low. I love you. You wanna go low? Check her. No, it's not gonna work.
Bring our congi.
Bring our congi. Oh yeah. That would be a good introduction to Jamaica for them, cause you know, small up yourself.
Small up yourself.
Small up yourself. I have right here in New York, we call this a jitney. Yeah.
Wait, that's a different accent.
I don't know, it just came out. But at the jitney, there's some have a jitney. How we call this in Jamaica? Juta.
No, Juta. This is a minibus.
A minibus. This. My grandparents. Everybody all here.
You can give me the camera and pass it back. Hi everybody. Hi everybody.
Oh, someone.
Hi.
Hey. Hi. Put your seatbelt on. First of all, that's how that dumbass stuff got y'all. You get in the vehicle and you so focused on that you don't even remember safety.
You'll pass it back to far arm, Judy?
One big minibus, I got me to tell you. This what I've come to. It's hot down here and I'm trying to get out of here. So we just arrived, we're at the airport, we're dropping off this big old van that we had right here. It was funny, like old time stretch limousine. Listen, I was hoping for one of these when I rented the vehicle. This is what I was supposed to get. And I ended up getting this. That one cargo van. But it's okay, it did the job. Everybody is here.
Okay, we gotta go.
Everybody getting ready. Move out.
No, go that way. Come.
And we're on our way. Hey, mommy.
La salud y la seguridad de todos
That's the main to it.
de Miami es nuestra prioridad. Por eso es obligatorio ponerse la mascarilla facial. Por favor, sigan practicando la distancia social.
My first time traveling on a plane.
Tell them keep their business. All right there. Pull up time mask. Jen, from now on, he's your responsibility. You can handle him in the back. Nothing exciting. Same old. It's exciting for them.
Fun, I already know it. I can't wait.
And we're coming up to our stop, so
Approaching airport station. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Llegando a la estación de la salida. Approach airport station. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Llegando a la estación del aeropuerto, por favor, tome todas sus pertenencias y tenga cuidado al salir.
Oh, squad, man, look. So many of them. Alright, so this is the shuttle that takes you, to your flight. So we're about to go get on our flight. Yes. Chill out, boy. I think they come from the front. At this point, I don't have nothing to say. Are you supposed to
Departures are supposed to go on that arrival.
This says arrivals. Hold on, Kosi, because that says arrivals. That's parking. Always. Do you know if we go there for departures?
Yeah.
For departures? Okay, because it says arrivals on right here. Okay, thank you. Come on, guys, let's go. I'll stay in the back to see if anybody dropped anything. You know what I find weird about this? I find it weird that the baby, who is the most defenseless one, the baby has no mask on, and the baby can't wear a mask. So you trying to tell me that this thing attacks only adults and teenagers and not babies? Anyhow. Alright, so in a minute I'm going to stop filming. Kai, look in front of you. Where are you going? Go, Mama, go.
That's everybody.
Alright, so you got all of them?
Yep.
As long as you know where to find them.
That's Coco, Lonnie, me, and then you.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Alright, so once again, the last time we came here, it was the same thing. Ended up missing our flight and gotten put on another flight because of the same old COVID thing, printouts. It was an authorization form. We had to print out one authorization form per person that's traveling. So everybody here needs that. Just remember that if you're traveling, don't do one authorization form for your family. Do one for each person that's traveling with the family. On top of that, babe come with her printout for her COVID test, and they won't accept it. They want another form of it. So now we have to call back people and wait for them to send it. And I think she just got an approval that they're gonna send it. That's how they're sending it, babe? Okay. So they said they're sending it. As soon as they send it, we'll be checking in. And then once we check in, we can relax a little bit. I'm probably gonna sleep because I've been going since yesterday. But all right, the gang's all here. See that? Big Click On crew. and we're heading to Jamaica. All right, see you then. Peace.
First things first, let's buckle those belts. Insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tight. To open, simply lift on the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated, just in case of unexpected turbulence. To get us on our way, make sure your seat is up, all electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. If you have a carry-on, push it all the way under the seat in front of you. If it won't fit, place it in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. You'll find our full electronic device policy in the back of your American Way. U.S. law prohibits smoking, including electronic cigarettes, at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the laboratories may result in a fine. U.S. law requires all to comply with lightly posted signs and crew member instructions. Now let's review the safety card. Please pay close attention, and before you know it, we'll be off. All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Keep in mind, it may be behind you. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and
It's a
remove
very
from the
different from the
airplane.
last part. We take the last part. We take the empty.
The empty.
In a water evacuation, slides at the front and back of the airplane may be used as life rafts. Also, there is an additional raft located in a marked overhead compartment. You'll find the exact location on your safety card. This aircraft is designed with escape lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate you have reached your exit. In the event of an evacuation, escape pad lighting will appear. Follow the lights until you've reached your exit. Leave all carry-ons behind. Just head quickly and safely to the nearest exit, and don't forget, it may be behind you. Now, if the airplane loses pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, grab the closest mask and pull down. The yellow cuff goes over your nose like so. Then slip the band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Just breathe.
So I'm going to
Even if the
Jamaica.
strap doesn't inflate, oxygen is flowing. And remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others.
Up and down.
Look, Papa, look. What are you doing?
The sky.
Up in the sky. Will you show the people outside of your mouth for? Close your mouth one.
Let's go, mommy. Let's go, mommy.
Come on.
Let's go, mommy.
Sister.
Let's go, mommy. 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 Mommy's pictures. Let's go, mommy. Woo! Woo! That's this close one.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Por favor, permanezca sentado con el cinturón.
I'd like to welcome you to an early arrival here in Montego Bay. Currently the time 12:45. You're free to use your cell phones during this time period.
Oh, thank you
As we
very much.
taxi in and you're safely seated, please take a second. Check your seat back pocket all around your seat area for your electronics, your documents, everything important to you. Secure it with you now so you leave nothing important behind you. It's been our pleasure serving you. We thank you for choosing American Airlines. For your travel plans, we wish each of you continued health and safe travels. Good day.